A wrongful death case being pursued under a medical malpractice situation versus a wrongful death case being pursued as a result of something other than medical malpractice. There are two different areas of the law, and they're governed under their own case-specific law. We do refer to that as statutes, but the Florida statute, it's law that governs every type of law that we handle. And so, based on those two different situations, in a medical malpractice case, there are only certain types of survivors that can pursue a medical malpractice wrongful death case. One would be a surviving spouse. If there is no surviving spouse, then it would be the surviving children, but it can also be a surviving spouse coupled with the surviving children. But under medical malpractice wrongful death cases, the child has to be 25 or younger, as opposed to just a regular wrongful death case involving, let's say, an automobile accident. The children can be adult children to pursue a case for the death of their parent if their mom or dad is still not alive. Now, under the medical malpractice wrongful death setting, there is what we refer to as the free kill bill. And what that is if there is an adult child, let's say, for example, a 35-year-old male that goes into a hospital and has severe abdominal pain and gets treated at that hospital, then unfortunately, there's medical negligence. And that medical negligence causes their passing, their death, which is tragic. Unfortunately, if they don't have a surviving spouse, if they don't have any children that are 25 or younger, then there is no medical malpractice wrongful death case to pursue, even if they had surviving parents. So what the legislature has been doing for the last many years up in Tallahassee, they're right now during session, they've filed bills in the House and filed bills in the Senate. And those bills are to what we call repeal that free kill bill, to do away with it, so that parents who have an adult child that unfortunately passes away due to medical negligence, they have a right to hold that hospital or that doctor accountable and be able to pursue a medical malpractice wrongful death case. It is still moving in session, and so we'll have to see what ends up at the end. But there's been lots of families who have come up to Tallahassee to testify before various Senate and House committees, and it's really great to see that the legislature is responding very positive to some important change.